How to add sidebar column to the BuddyPress profile page. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to add sidebar column to the BuddyPress profile page. By default, BuddyPress does not offer sidebar to the profile page layout. But with this feature you can add any widget you want to the profile sidebar easily. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Once Youzify is active, please go to Youzify panel, Profile Settings, and then Profile Structure. Select the column layout options. You want put the sidebar on left or right. In the Pro version, you even can have 3 columns layout. And then, drag and drop any widget you want to put on the sidebar. Let's see the result. Now you can have sidebar column on your BuddyPress profile page. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.